Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's Layer 3 quest, we'll be going into the Satoshi Series, which gives a brief introduction, the Bitcoin history, what Bitcoin has accomplished so far, its everyday use cases, the rise of Layer 2s, and much more. So we'll dive into the first quest in this series, the genesis of Bitcoin, a historical overview. So let's take a trip down memory lane. In 2008, an individual or group of individuals using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper. Bitcoin's first block, the Genesis block, was mined on January 3rd, 2009. Since then, Bitcoin has undergone several developments, including the creation of new features and scaling solutions. The first ever transaction in 2010 laid the foundation. Laszlo Hanyecz buys 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. This event is now celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day on May 22nd. 2013, the first Bitcoin ATM is installed in Vancouver, Canada, providing a tangible way for people to buy and sell Bitcoin. Despite challenges like the 2014 Mt. Gox hack, Bitcoin has remained strong, leading to better security measures in the industry. Bitcoin continues to thrive as a decentralized digital currency, gaining wider adoption and recognition as a legitimate asset class. With a strong and dedicated community, the future of Bitcoin looks bright. Definitely bright. Who is credited with creating Bitcoin? Satoshi Nakamoto. Hal Finney actually received the first Bitcoin transaction. So when was Bitcoin white paper published? 2008. It launched in 2009. What is the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain called? The Genesis block. That's the first block of any blockchain. Time for a poll. You gotta know your roots. Gotta know your roots. Yay. Next up, Bitcoin in everyday life, practical use cases and applications. Discover how Bitcoin is transforming the way we interact with money in various aspects of daily life. Bitcoin has many use cases, such as remittances, online payments, and a store of value. It allows for borderless transactions, making it an attractive option for international transactions and e-commerce. Bitcoin has become popular for crowdfunding, charity donations, and other fundraising efforts. It provides a transparent, efficient way to transfer funds to those in need. DeFi and smart contracts. With upgrades like Taproot, Bitcoin scripting capabilities have expanded, opening up possibilities for building smart contracts and complex applications on the Bitcoin blockchain. As a decentralized currency, Bitcoin has been embraced by people living under oppressed regimes, unstable economies, or facing hyperinflation, offering them an alternative financial system. Beyond finance, Bitcoin has inspired the creation of decentralized applications and platforms, giving birth to a whole new ecosystem of innovative solutions. So what is the key feature of Bitcoin that enables global accessibility? Decentralization. Which method is commonly used for transferring Bitcoin between users? QR code. What are some popular use cases for Bitcoin? Cross-border payments, online shopping, store of value. So go ahead and copy this. Open your Twitter. Send it. Fully send. Wait for that to verify. I know Twitter takes forever to load now or to post. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, it's really not Loading, huh? I wonder if I closed it out too soon. Holy cow. It's on there. What are you doing? Doesn't look like it's liking that very much, so we're just gonna do this. Just gonna go ahead and tweet. All right, let's see if it took it. Nope. This isn't working, so we'll just skip that. All right, we'll go to those polls. Done, done, and done. Next up, a deep dive into Bitcoin's Taproot and Schnorr signatures. Taproot, a major Bitcoin protocol upgrade, was activated in November 2021. It introduced several improvements, including better privacy for complex transactions, lower fees, and enhanced smart contract capabilities. Schnorr signatures are a key component of the Taproot upgrade. They enable signature aggregation, resulting in smaller transaction sizes and increased efficiency. They also help improve Bitcoin's privacy by making multi-signature transactions indistinguishable from regular ones. Masked, Merkleized abstract syntax trees is another vital feature of Taproot. It allows complex scripts to be represented as a tree structure, hiding unused branches and improving privacy while reducing transaction size and fees. Taproot is a soft fork upgrade, meaning it's backwards compatible with the existing Bitcoin protocol. Nodes can choose to adopt the upgrade without affecting the overall functioning of the network. With Taproot and Schnorr signatures, Bitcoin continues to evolve, addressing key challenges and providing an improved user experience for its growing community. Another quiz. What are the main improvements introduced by the Taproot upgrade? Privacy and scalability. What technology does Taproot use to enable more complex smart contracts? Merkleized abstract syntax trees. How do Schnorr signatures improve Bitcoin's transaction efficiency? By allowing signature aggregation. What is the key advantage of Taproot's privacy improvements? Making complex transactions look like simple transactions. I'm going to skip this since it's not working, and we'll do that. Bada boom, and we are done with the quest. Questa. These are simple ones. The rise of Bitcoin's Layer 2. Discover how Lightning Network has revolutionized Bitcoin transactions by making them faster and cheaper. Let's dive in. The Lightning Network is a Layer 2 solution built on top of Bitcoin's blockchain. It uses smart contracts to create payment channels, allowing for instant transactions with minimal fees. The scalability solution addresses Bitcoin's capacity constraints. With the Lightning Network, users can transact with each other off-chain, reducing the burden on the main Bitcoin blockchain. Funds are locked in a multi-signature wallet, and the channel is updated with each transaction. When users want to settle their transactions on-chain, they can simply close the payment channel, and the final state of the channel is recorded on the blockchain. This innovative approach has opened the door for micropayments and new use cases. The Lightning Network is still growing and evolving. Its development demonstrates the potential for further innovation and expansion in the world of Bitcoin, ensuring its continued relevance in the digital economy. Little quiz. What problem does the Lightning Network primarily address for Bitcoin? Scalability. Which type of transactions does the Lightning Network enable? Off-chain transactions. How does the Lightning Network facilitate off-chain transactions? Use of smart contracts. What is the typical transaction speed of the Lightning Network? Seconds as opposed to minutes with Bitcoin. And I'm going to skip that, and we will skip that. Boom. I hope that you have learned a little bit more about Bitcoin and the different, a little history, a little idea of where it's been, where it's going, and just the cool stuff that it's not just a way of sending payments or store of value. It's growing into a whole emerging ecosystem, which is surprising because it was only one thing before. So hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. Next one, I think we'll dive in. We'll do some of the new for you, the next quest, so be on the lookout, some of the new for you quests. But yeah, with that, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. But this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.